Today we're going to be looking at the tandem axle 7x14 foot black Vinos enclosed trailer with the Blackout package. This does have your 24 inches of black ATP stone guard. Has your jack coupler and safety chains. Does have the smooth screwless black exterior. It is a tandem axle. Comes with two Greaseable 3,500-pound axles with brakes on the rear. This also has 15-inch wheels and tires. Has your LED drive lights. The heavy-duty plywood loading ramp. Here we have the interior. It does have your LED light strip. Has your heavy-duty plywood floors and walls. This does have a spring-assisted rear loading ramp. Once again, this is the tandem axle 7x14 foot black Vinos enclosed trailer with Blackout package. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.